Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to turn on job alerts on the Bayt.com application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone. After that you should select a job. So type in the job title that you are looking for and then tap on find jobs after selecting your country. If you have found a relevant job that you are interested in and would like to get a notification about it when there are changes about this position, click on this bell icon in the middle of the screen. As you can see, a new job alert has been created. So if you want to create a general job alert, tap on this button down below in the right side corner of the screen, and as you can see, a job alert has been created about this general job. So this keyword will help you that you have just typed in. So you have created a job alert based on this keyword typed into the search bar. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.